in order to build happy 21st century as a happy century, peaceful century, peaceful, as I mentioned earlier, very much based on inner peace, compassion. Therefore, I think our ultimate goal is we should make every effort on all levels. Eventually, within this century, we should have a compassionate world, peaceful. Then peaceful world automatically come. We can do. That does not mean the 7 billion human beings all become religious person. No. They're religious believer. They have their own different sort of way to promote this compassion, forgiveness, tolerance. Wonderful. Then those non-believer or those people who not much serious about sort of these inner values, then through education, through awareness, everybody taking care of oneself. So the best way to care one's own physical well-being and mental well-being. So healthy mind bring healthy body and healthy family, like that. So I think that's the way to build, to change, transformation, transform our world. What do you think? Some sense?